Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Autoverse, your ultimate destination for all things automotive care and maintenance. I'm your host, your name, and today we're diving into the perfect care routine for your beloved Trofeo 4K. Whether you're a seasoned owner or just got your hands on this beauty, stick around as I share essential tips to keep it looking and performing like a dream. So, what makes the Trofeo 4K stand out? Aside from its stunning design and high-performance engine, this vehicle demands precision and attention when it comes to maintenance. Trust me, folks, neglecting care for this gem is not an option if you want it to keep turning heads. From regular washes to advanced detailing, every step you take to maintain your Trofeo 4K directly impacts its resale value and overall appeal. And don't worry, we're keeping it simple and practical today. Let's start with the exterior, where first impressions are made. A car like the Trofeo 4K deserves nothing less than the best products. Always use a high-quality pH-balanced car shampoo. Avoid harsh chemicals, as they can strip away that luxurious finish. After washing, it's time to dry the surface using a microfiber towel to prevent water spots. Oh, and don't forget to use a clay bar once a month. This removes embedded contaminants and keeps the paint smooth. Finally, consider investing in a ceramic coating. It adds a protective layer to the paint, making it resistant to dirt and UV rays. Plus, it gives that extra glossy finish that'll make your Trofeo 4K shine like a star. Now, moving on to the wheels, an area that's often overlooked but crucial for maintaining the car's aesthetics. Start by using a non-acidic wheel cleaner to get rid of brake dust and grime. After that, dress up the tires with a premium tire shine. This not only enhances their appearance but also protects them from cracking over time. And remember, clean wheels can make or break your car's overall look. Next up is the interior. With the Trofeo 4K's luxurious cabin, you'll want to keep everything spotless. Vacuum the carpets and seats regularly to avoid dirt buildup. For leather seats, use a high-quality leather cleaner and conditioner. This prevents cracks and keeps them looking supple and new. And don't skip out on the little details, clean the infotainment screen with a safe, streak-free cleaner. Maintenance isn't just about looks, it's also about keeping your Trofeo 4K running smoothly. Check the tire pressure and oil levels regularly. Also, ensure that the brakes are in top condition, as this car's performance depends on them. Recommendations, and your Trofeo 4K will thank you with top-notch performance. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate care routine for your Trofeo 4K. Remember, a car like this deserves attention to detail, so don't cut corners when it comes to maintenance. Thanks for tuning in to Autoverse, where we're all about preserving the beauty and power of your favorite rides. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. Until next time.